Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. 2. Three things cannot be long hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth. 3. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. 4. In the end, these things matter most. How well did you love? How fully did you live? How deeply did you let go? 5. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. 6. All that we are is the result of what we have thought. 7. There is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path. 8. The only real failure in life is not to be true to the best one knows. 9. Better than 1,000 hollow words is one word that brings peace. 10. Let us rise up and be thankful, for if we didn't learn a lot today, at least we learned a little, and if we didn't learn a little, at least we didn't get sick, and if we got sick, at least we didn't die. So, let us all be thankful.